Hello, this is the farm of my mom, my sister. She's cleaning her pigs. Here. Dako lagi ni isa gang.
Ihid man gid isa te. Wala baro.
Pila ni ka bulan?
Mga duha.
Dako kay dako na.
Pero kusog yabon mo kaon, anak man din ng babo.
And here's the dogs. The dog. Oh, he has the puppy. She has the puppy.
Yo anak ko kasi.
Yeah. Here is the coconut tree and some fruits tree and the banana trees. See the land. See from there to here. Nanghagbas daw ka diri gang. Here. Here is the coconut tree, and here coconut tree, the motorcycle of my sister.